everybody. Welcome to Wrenches to Wings. And this here is our 2007 Honda CR85 that we just recently purchased for my son because he has put in that he wants to start racing motocross. So we found a good deal on Marketplace, and it has its issues, but we've gone through and we've pretty much rebuilt this thing. We've rebuilt the top end, the bottom end. We put new brakes on it. We've put new grips on it. We've gotten the suspension redone thanks to Bobby at Pro Action for that. So we're working on having a new bike here for about half the price of what a new bike would cost. We didn't want to really go out and spend a lot of money on a new bike because this is his first bike. We didn't know if he was going to love it or not, if he was really going to be into it. So we've got a 20-year-old motorcycle that we can rebuild to be almost like new, and he can still have a good time, and without the risk of being out a lot of money if something happens to it or if it just sits in the shed. So we've gone through, like I said, we've gone through this thing. The only thing that we haven't done so far is replace the tires on it, and these are pretty wore out. So we went ahead and bought a set of Dunlop MX34s, and we're going to go ahead and pull the old ones off today, put the new ones on, and while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and replace the wheel bearings because they're a little gritty too, and we just want to go ahead and just knock that out of the way while we're in it. So stick with us and see how it goes. So we'll go sprocket side down.
Sprocket side down?
So I don't cut myself on the TVs. Can't believe.
You could just switch the spacers. You could just.
You still need it on both sides.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
man.
don't know how we missed that.
Well, we got it from a, 40-year-old hobo, so.
It's true. All right.
No offense.
No offense to that guy.
But that's still not good, is it?
It may have been what he knew was good.
He also didn't know anything about it.
All right, so today was like one of the hottest days of the year, so we decided to wait a little later to do this since somebody didn't want to get up this morning to work on it.
My bed's too comfy, man. It's too comfy. And I'm sleeping with a different pillow, so it's even comfier.
And now we have just discovered that we're missing a spacer on the rear. Somehow I missed it before. So we got to get us a spacer if we can put this tire back on the back. Hopefully it won't keep us from riding this weekend. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
So we've already gotten the front tire. Cool thing about doing it like this, you can use the right hand to hold it.
Good to know. Good to know.
So I get this one out of there. There's a start.
Woo.
I think it's once you get it started,
It gets easier.
yeah, it gets easier.
Well, don't pop the tube on this one or put a hole in it. At least you didn't do it on the first one.
At least.
At least. At least.
Tire stand would be so nice for this.
Tire stand?
Yeah. It's not in the budget though,
Well,
since we're still privateering it. You didn't mow enough grass this week.
well,
So this is working. Just double billing it. Not too greedy. All right,
baking powder.
there it is.
No!
First side.
Yay! Can't you just take it all off now?
No, see, I gotta get the tube out now.
Oh, the inside of the tire does not look that good.
Oh, I got that with the tire.
Oh,
But you're not too worried about it because we're throwing them away anyways. Did I not break the bead on that other side? That's why it was so hard. It helps you break the bead on both sides before you get started. It has definitely been a minute since I've done a motocross tire. If you want to, you take that tube and wash it off.
okay. I'll do that. What do you want me? You want me to use the soapy water?
Just use that purple one.
Just use the purple cleaner and
Yeah, or just rinse it off.
okay. Purple cleaner. Dirty poop. Dirty tube. Squirt, 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 squirt. Oh yeah, get all on the tube. Now we spray it off. Yeah. What up? Oh, those cars on the hose.
2 hours later.
There.
Yes. Trash.
Trash.
Over here with the other.
Push.
I am.
Push.
Oh.
There you go. Awesome. You got it, baby.
Yeah.
That off.
Now we fill it up with air.
And if anybody's wondering, this is a pretty neat little Amazon kit for doing motocross tires. Fairly inexpensive. I think
It's also for lawnmower tires too. Settles for lawnmower tires.
yeah, it'll do any small tires. But this one particularly comes with this tool that holds in the spokes, motocross bikes. It also comes with some rim protectors too. But it was like 25 bucks on Amazon. Can't beat it. Well, another frustrating day of working on the motocross bike. We got the tires on. We was taking off the rear wheel and realized there's a spacer that's missing. Evidently the previous owners had taken off and I did not realize it. And I'm glad we found it because it was wearing down the rear brake caliper. So hoping we can get one so we can ride this weekend. If not, we may have a fix so we can get it by temporarily, but we'll see about that. But we appreciate y'all sticking with us today and watching this episode, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one. God bless.
Is Puerto Rico a state or a country?